Oh, still very much beaten up. Better get this at the early stage, not like at this stage when it's quite beaten up already by stone chips and stuff like that. So to avoid all of this, because now we need to replace a new camera, which is gonna cost a lot of money, is to install the protector, this is not the cover. Okay, so what I did was actually I need to wipe it down, because you cannot allow any dust, residue or dirt caught on here, because if it's dirty, you're gonna compromise the double tape. Okay, so I need to wipe this down. Just use a normal microfiber cloth will do. So this, the flat surface type, this cover goes to the front, so it goes on like this. Okay, now just remove the backing and let's stick it on like so. How is it? Let's see. Now let's move to the back. Okay, so similarly we're just gonna clean here as well. Okay, we cannot avoid any dirt or dust or whatever it is, so we need to wipe onto the bottom here. Okay, so normally I notice the back is way better than how it was in the front, but still I suggest that you should buy this at the very start, not after nearly a year of using the car. So now is how to do the positioning. See, like this, or is it like this? Okay, so after much trying, it is this position. Okay, so remove the backing. Okay, align this and stick it on. Okay, all right, so let's go inside and see how it looks like after we install it. Okay, so this is the front view. So far so good. I see there is a little bit of the shadowing, little bit of that, but it's fine, because what we want to see is actually the object right now in the front, and this is the back view. All right, so you can see also very clear, a little bit of shadowing here as well, but otherwise it's all good. So if you like what you see and you want to get your hands on this as well, I strongly and highly suggest, which is, well, my mistake not getting this earlier, but thanks to Tesery I get to try this out, and I strongly suggest if you just got your Tesla to get this as well. And if this is something you want, I'll provide my affiliate link below, which you can actually purchase for yourself. Till then, this is Krystle here signing off. Bye bye.